What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing the Freaky Flights Air Royale with the cartoon cats lobby. Today we got You Suck right here, and then we got the old Dolphin of Death, aka Flamingo Man. If you don't remember him, you better watch my meme video. Because he's in that, he's Flamingo Man in that. Yeah. So, Dolphin, would you introduce yourself to the viewers?
Hi.
Would you want to say anything to them? No? Okay. You suck. Introduce yourself. Do you want to?
For one, don't call me that.
But you suck.
No, no.
It's in your name. You suck. Obviously.
What?
Ready up.
Alright.
Bruh.
USUK sucks.
No.
You suck.
You suck.
You suck. You suck.
Oh wait, yes. Which gets legendary chest?
Oh yeah, the cartoon squad.
This isn't the greatest one.
Let me switch. No, I want that here. All right.
I can't get my loadout, but
What's up, my G?
What's up?
What's up? Most of you have tags, I realize.
Oh my gosh, I am dominating.
Go on their base. You can't shoot.
I can get a rocket.
They can shoot you, but you can't
Yes.
shoot them.
I'll find a rocket.
I'm up here, boys.
Oh my god, I'm dominating. I'm dominating this flipping court.
I'm right here, boys.
Get a rocket
What's up?
launcher or a quad launcher.
Okay.
Nope, not on my house, please.
What's up, my
Oh
G?
my god, what the heck?
Okay.
Why did you guys activate the freaking invader system?
Quad launcher.
Ah,
I'm gonna get
ouch.
Just get Siphon.
This hurts. I can't find anyone. Ah!
Oh, no,
This
no,
hurts.
no,
Oh,
no.
I'm going down. I'm down.
Man, that feels nice.
Big boyo buffed cat, cartoony,
Oh, I got a
cartoon cat over here. Oh yeah.
I got a rocket launcher. RPG game.
Boys.
You
You already know we have 200 gold again. So, you already know what we're gonna do. We going to get the freaking score, obviously.
get the suppressed cards better.
We need some ammo.
Alright, I got 46 rockets.
And then we need some.
I already have
Yes.
a rocket launcher. I'm going for the rush.
Why do y'all have rocket launchers? And where do you
So
even...
we can bomb them from the planes because we can switch seats.
Where the heck do you find the rocket launcher? Oh,
Bruh.
it's 220. Do you get like 5 gold per elimination?
I'm about to bomb this area with my plane.
Yeah, you get 5 gold per elimination. I mean,
okay,
50.
I killed myself.
No, bro.
Committed
Bro.
suicide.
Bro, Sky doesn't know how to fly a freaking plane.
Yo, kid, let me on. Andrew, let me on. Let me on. Nice.
Wait, let me on.
No,
Everybody get on pandas.
no, I can't.
Who's this clock driving? He sucks. Andrew, let me get on. Let me hop on. Hey,
Ah!
pick me up.
How do you freaking fly a plane?
Bro, flying.
Oh, no, 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 no.
You don't know. What the heck? What is wrong with that guy? He's floating. Okay, this game's weird. Damage invaders. Stranger dangers. Let's just call those stranger dangers.
Why does it go that way?
fly a freaking plane. What? Okay, I hate this game. This game mode's crap. It's dog doo-doo. Get up there. Thank you. Finally.
Server Anakin! I have the high ground! You underestimate my power!
Literal dog doo-doo.
Wait, Oliver, get on.
Yes, I can RPG people.
No scope, boys. Just messing around. There's no way I'm gonna hit it. If I hit it, I'm literally gonna cry. 360 no scope.
I hit a kid on the helicopter with my rifle.
I'm rushing.
So essentially, what this
Stranger danger! Stranger danger!
It's just a big, giant battle.
Stranger danger! Stranger danger!
Oh my god.
Stranger danger! Stranger danger!
Direct impact.
Holy crap! Stranger danger!
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna fly over to their base and take a jewel.
Oh my god. What is this?
Let's go.
Why am I attached to another plane? No, 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 go up!
I have 200.
Get me up here, get me up here.
Go, go, go. No, I want the gold.
I got a pump.
It's ambush shot. Oh my god, what is he doing?
Be scared.
Be scared.
Be scared, man.
Yes, got this airplane out. Let's go.
Where's their jewel?
I don't know. I'm getting this boost thing.
Oh, no, 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 no.
No way, bro, he's scared.
How do
Guys, they made it so that once you enter their base, you can't shoot.
Server Anakin! I have the high ground! You underestimate my power!
You have been warned.
What the? Bro.
How do you get a jewel?
Go, fly. Fly. Go.
I didn't know you can get shield in this game.
I just bought an X-Wing.
Oh,
I'm on a boat.
Ow. You're a cat.
What does this do?
Is that where the jewels are?
What does
Now, whatever you do, don't push this button.
that do?
Wanna bet? I just did a 400 damage with my phone.
Okay. I'm gonna die.
I'm doing 66 damage with my AR.
Okay, this is fun. Challenge nerd.
Shred in the lobby. Sup?
Let's go.
Shoot, you can't. Crap.
No way.
How do we get a jewel?
Yeah.
That's how we basically win the game.
Yeah, I want to get enough ult.
Wait, Henry, no.
I have 17 kills.
No. Go.
Go up.
I keep getting something. It says it's an X-Wing.
Boom. We got speed boost, boys.
You can't find the jewel. I'm in their base.
No. I'm gonna cry because I just let that down. Okay. How do we get the jewel? Where the heck even is the jewel?
I know where it is.
Where?
I'm not selling.
Where?
I found it.
No! Why do I keep doing that?
Oh, a kid opened a vault in here. Oh, what
The
is
kid
this?
opened the vault?
Yes, and there's a boom bow. No.
Buy me one.
Crap!
I need one. Buy me one. Breathe.
That's enough. I have 15 gold. I'm going to open their vault. I know where the coins are.
You mean the jewels?
Yeah.
No. That.
Wait! Why?
Give me that. What? Go up! Oh my god, I hate this game. Why the
I
heck
need
is it?
700 gold.
Why is it inverted again? Ba-do-do-do-do-do-do. Why can't I grab the freaking gold? Well, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for the video. Sorry for oh. Well, this is a good ending. So, thank you for watching my video. Hopefully, subscribe. We're on the way to 100. And,
I exploded.
don't say explode. Because I can put explosion effect right now. Anyway. Thanks for watching. Let's go. Hope you're subscribed. And I'll see you in the next video.
See you.
See ya.